Over 60. Eat these 4 nuts before bed to naturally restore clear vision. You might find this hard to believe, but there are a few simple foods and natural ingredients, things you likely already have in your kitchen, that can genuinely protect your eyes and even actively help them repair while you sleep. And this is a hugely important topic, because millions of older adults across the world are silently struggling with something much more serious than just mildly blurry vision. We are talking about eyes that burn and strain when you read, eyes that are painfully sensitive to bright headlights at night, eyes that see cloudy patches, dark spots, or halos, making it difficult to recognize faces, fully enjoy a sunset, or even safely cross a busy street. I've personally met individuals who were once confident, independent drivers, but now they avoid going out after dark because they no longer feel safe. Others tell me they cannot read the newspaper without a magnifier, or have completely given up on reading altogether. And many share a feeling that truly breaks my heart. I'm scared. It feels like I'm slowly going blind. If any of that sounds familiar, please understand this. You are not imagining it, and you are absolutely not alone. What you are feeling isn't just aging. It is often the direct result of years of missing nutrients, severely reduced blood flow to the retina, and silent, low-grade inflammation that quietly damages the fragile tissues inside your eyes. And here is the most surprising part. This damage often accelerates while you sleep. The very hours when your body is supposed to be repairing and restoring itself are often when your eyes receive no real nutritional support at all. But I have great news. There is a simple, natural way to turn this entire process around. No expensive prescriptions, no invasive surgeries, and no pricey eye drops. Just something simple, often overlooked yet fully backed by real science. It's something you can begin tonight. And in just a few minutes I will show you exactly what it is. Before we dive into the details, if this is your first time joining us and you value clear, honest health advice designed specifically for seniors, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button for Golden Life Health. You deserve to feel informed, supported, and empowered at every step of your journey. Now, let's take a closer look at what is truly happening inside your eyes after 60, and how you can start taking back your vision. 4 nuts to restore clear vision at night. 1. Walnuts. If there is one nut that has been quietly working to protect both your brain and your eyesight without getting enough credit, it is the walnut. You might be thinking, walnuts? Aren't those just good for lowering cholesterol? Yes, they are. But that is only the beginning of their power. Walnuts are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically a type called alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Your eyes are not separate from the rest of your body. They are an extension of your nervous system, directly connected to your brain via the optic nerve. Both your eyes and brain rely heavily on healthy fats, especially omega-3s, to function optimally. Here's why this matters for aging eyes. The ALA in walnuts boosts blood flow to the retina and the optic nerve, protects delicate nerve fibers from damaging oxidative stress, and eases the inflammation that can blur or distort visual signals. In essence, it's like giving your entire visual system a much-needed nightly tune-up. Walnuts don't just help your eyes physically. They also support mental clarity and focus, 2 things that often fade alongside vision as we age. Pistachios. If walnuts are the quiet helpers that strengthen the brain-eye connection, then pistachios are the loyal bodyguards of your retina. You might not expect that from such a small pale green nut, but they hide a powerful secret. Pistachios are loaded with 2 essential nutrients that your eyes absolutely crave: lutein and zeaxanthin. These powerful plant pigments act like natural sunglasses inside your eyes, filtering out the most damaging wavelengths of blue light before they can reach and damage your macula, the tiny area responsible for sharp, central detail vision. The catch is simple. Your body cannot produce these protective compounds on its own. You must get them from your diet. Pistachios are one of the few nuts that naturally contain both lutein and zeaxanthin, along with healthy fats that significantly boost their absorption. Consuming enough of these nutrients can actively reduce glare, improve contrast, and even slow the progression of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of vision loss after 63. Brazil nuts. Have you ever woken up with red, irritated eyes or felt that burning, tired sensation halfway through the day, like your eyes are dry and desperately begging for rest even when you haven't done much reading? For many older adults, that daily discomfort isn't just a minor issue. It becomes a constant reminder that our eyes, like the rest of the body, can become overworked and inflamed. Most people instinctively reach for eye drops or a cold compress, hoping for quick temporary relief. But genuine healing often starts much deeper, and that is exactly where Brazil nuts come into play. These large, satisfyingly rich nuts are one of the most underrated foods for eye health. Unlike most nuts, which are famed for their healthy fats or basic antioxidants, Brazil nuts stand out for one extraordinary nutrient: selenium. Selenium is what scientists call a trace mineral. Your body only requires a tiny amount, but that small amount makes a monumental difference. It is a potent natural anti-inflammatory that helps calm the tiny fires of irritation inside your body. In the eyes, selenium actively helps reduce dryness, redness, and the kind of low-grade inflammation that can lead to blurry vision or even the early formation of cataracts. It also has another key superpower. It helps recycle and reactivate vitamin E, a crucial antioxidant that protects the fatty components of your eyes from breaking down under stress. In simpler terms, selenium works to keep the fragile tissues of your eyes from becoming brittle and damaged as the years accumulate. The truth is, most individuals do not get enough selenium and are completely unaware of it. For many patients dealing with chronic eye strain, cloudiness, or constant dryness, I have found that their selenium levels were often borderline low. The solution: you only need to add just one Brazil nut a day. That is often all it takes to make a huge difference. Along with proper hydration and a few simple evening adjustments, this change can make your eyes feel calm again. The beauty of providing your body with exactly what it truly needs. Hazelnuts. By the time we enter our 60s and 70s, something subtle but significantly important begins to diminish in our eyes. It's not just visual sharpness. It's the moisture, flexibility, and strength that keeps our eyes comfortable and naturally hydrated. What many people don't realize is that this change often begins with a quiet loss of collagen. Collagen is not just for your skin. It forms the very structure of your eyes, supporting the lens, the cornea, and even the tiny blood vessels that nourish your vision. As collagen breaks down, the eyes lose their elasticity and shape, making them far more prone to irritation and dryness. That's when you might experience that scratchy feeling upon waking, or notice your vision gets blurrier quickly after reading. One key nutrient that helps preserve this collagen and is often completely overlooked is vitamin E. And one of the single best natural sources of vitamin E just happens to be the hazelnut. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant, which means it works best when paired with healthy fats, exactly what hazelnuts naturally provide. It actively protects the delicate membrane surrounding your eyes from oxidative stress, helps lock in natural moisture, and slows the structural breakdown of collagen in the tissues that keep your eyes strong and focused. The benefit: hazelnuts are small, but their benefits run deep, helping to protect your eyes from fatigue, dryness, and the constant strain of modern daily life. The nighttime eye healing ritual. By now you have learned that 4 simple nuts, each with a unique, special gift, can play an immensely powerful role in protecting and restoring your eyesight. But here is the critical secret that surprises most people. It is not just what you eat that matters. It is when you eat it. Your eyes perform the majority of their essential repair work not during the day but at night. While you sleep, your body enters full restoration mode. Damaged tissues are quietly rebuilt, cells regenerate, and inflammation eases. But if your body does not have the right nutrients available to work with, no matter how much sleep you manage to get, real healing simply cannot happen. That is why providing the correct nourishment just before bed can make such a profound difference. It's like giving your body the exact set of tools it needs to repair your eyes while you are peacefully resting. Here is a simple, effective evening routine that I have shared with countless patients. It takes less than 5 minutes and requires zero cooking. Few walnuts to strengthen the crucial brain-eye connection. A small handful of pistachios to actively shield and filter the retina. Just one Brazil nut for its powerful, soothing anti-inflammatory selenium. A few hazelnuts to protect natural moisture and essential collagen. That is truly all you need. Just a modest, gentle serving to nourish your eyes fully through the long night. You can pair this modest snack with a warm, unsweetened herbal tea such as lemon balm or chamomile. These teas help you relax and also support better absorption of the fat-soluble vitamins found in the nuts. Then simply sit back, avoid screens, reduce noise, and enjoy the quiet moment. Let this be a deeply relaxing ritual, not just another chore. Rituals are more than mere routines. They are direct signals to your mind and body that the healing process is currently underway. Over time, I've had countless seniors tell me the exact same thing. I'm waking up without that dry, gritty feeling. My eyes feel calmer and stronger. I don't squint as much when I read the morning paper. And they didn't resort to anything extreme or expensive. They simply provided their bodies with precisely what they needed, and they did it consistently. That is the hidden secret no one ever talks about. It is not about constantly trying to do more. It is about doing what truly matters at the right time. You don't need fancy eye creams or complicated, pricey supplements. You simply need to start where you are, using the powerful ingredients you already possess. One small handful, one quiet evening, one deliberate act of self-care at a time. As we get older, it is incredibly easy to believe that fading vision is just an inevitable part of aging. But the simple truth is that your eyes are still fully capable of healing and staying strong when they are given the right consistent care and nourishment. The powerful evening ritual you have learned about today is not magic. It is simple, natural support that helps your body perform the job it was originally designed to do. Restore, renew, and protect your eyes while you sleep. Your age does not define your eyesight. Your past choices do not limit your future healing. It is never too late to begin this change, and the steps are far simpler than most people imagine. Start tonight. One small handful of nuts, one quiet moment of care, one conscious choice to believe in your body's innate ability to restore itself. That is where lasting change begins. Thank you so much for choosing to spend this valuable time with me today. I know you have many options when it comes to seeking health advice, and I am truly grateful that you chose to spend a few peaceful minutes here with Golden Life Health. If this message provided you with something valuable, please do click like and share it with someone you know who might desperately need it. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Golden Life Health and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss the next insight or story that could help you age with greater confidence, clarity, and strength. Before you go, I would love to hear from you. Have you noticed any recent changes in your vision? Have you tried adding any of these specific nuts before? Your personal experience might be exactly what someone else needs to feel inspired. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.